Now, one of the things that we are seeing today coming from the updates with regarding or relating to insurance registrations is that it appears that due to the holiday that is taking place in China of between the 15th to the 17th, we won't be getting the insurance registration figures. But I must say, as I was just browsing through, reading through some of the new news, I realized that there are some of the people apparently that are calling NEO stock price or share price to $9.50 by next week on Friday. I mean, when I saw that, my mind was blown away because I never thought that there are people that are this confident when it comes to the NEO share price or stock price. I know in the streets of social media, the person that made this call or that showed this screenshot of someone calling NEO to $9.5 next week Friday apparently was receiving the negative comments, right, from some of the new investors or some of the investors saying that it is not possible. There is no way that we are going to see NEO getting to that share price by next week Friday, which I think is not. Yeah, I also think maybe they might be right, but one of the things that you need to remember about the NEO share price specifically is that in a space of 2 weeks we saw NEO crashing out the losses that they've been experiencing. I mean, the last time we saw NEO trading over $5.79, it was around March. Then May it attempted, but where NEO was trading at, I think last week, it showed us that it is very possible for NEO to wipe out the kind of losses that it recouped maybe for 5 months, 6 months in a space of 2 weeks. It is very much possible, which therefore I don't really want to cross this out, because with the NEO share price and NEO stock price, recently anything is possible. I mean, I tell you, most of the investors or those that are investing onto NEO, they were not, or we're not expecting to see much growth in terms of the share price or these kind of gains that we are seeing on the share price. And I must say, we're not complaining. This is something that is pretty exciting, but it shows you that a downtrend that can take 6 months can be recovered in 2 weeks, and this is what we have been seeing from the NEO stock price. So $9.5 is pretty high. I'm not a technical guy and therefore I cannot say, but from what I've seen, especially in the past 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks, NEO has been getting some pretty good momentum in terms of the share price. So many people who are calling NEO are still calling NEO to $2, which we are not going to see that. I think we've discussed that, to say that the chances of NEO going back to $2 are very slim, and therefore those that want to buy the NEO stock, they better think about doing that now, because chances are even in the next coming weeks we might not see NEO share price cooling off because of the fundamentals that NEO has gained over the month. I mean, the NEO that we are seeing now is not the NEO we were seeing in Q1 of this year, which shows you that somewhere between Q1 and Q2 a lot has taken place, which is why NEO in terms of share price, though it is still undervalued, but yeah, it was expected somewhere somehow the market to start rewarding NEO and stop tanking the stock, because NEO is a company that has been consistently showing us, especially from Q2, that they are a different company, and they've been doing this by delivering or consistently delivering over 20,000 deliveries from May till the end, till August, which is something that shows you that NEO indeed it is a company that has changed, and chances are this change might be here to stay. Those days where we used to see NEO selling 10,000 on a month to month are over. We have to agree on that. And with Onvo also coming, the sub brand, you and me can agree, and that is Blue Sky is coming on Thursday. NEO will be doing the official launch of the Onvo sub brand, and boy, I must say, a lot of the new investors are patiently waiting to see the price. They are waiting to see the catalyst, which we've been waiting for, to start hitting the ground in terms of sales, which is going to come the following week on Thursday the 26th, which we look forward to those deliveries starting of the Onvo sub brand. So share price wise, anything is possible, guys. I mean, it looks like this person calling NEO to $9.5, they are seeing some serious bullish scenarios. Hopefully those bullish cases are coming from the official launch of the Onvo L60, from the orders that NEO is going to get. I believe and I hope that we are going to see, should NEO get good orders or firm orders, locked orders, then chances are the market will continue rewarding NEO, and that $9.5, who knows, maybe we see it. But based on what I'm seeing from the comments after someone posted that picture, a lot of people are not seeing that happening. But I must say, on Thursday we've got a very strong big catalyst coming from NEO, and that, ladies and gents, will determine or will have an impact on the share price or market price of NEO, and therefore what NEO will get Thursday, Friday in terms of orders will be very interesting, and I think the market will be closely watching that or monitoring that, because if we are to get anything maybe over 20,000 firm locked orders in a space of maybe 24-48 hours, then the market, this will be bullish. This will be a massive catalyst into NEO. I know we are going to get more than this, but I'm just saying any number from 20,000 orders, I think it will be a good sign that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming onto this NEO sub-brand, namely Onvo, right? I mean, I'm happy. I look forward to the L60 because this is a model that NEO intends on selling 20,000 models this year, which shows you or tells us that somewhere from the 26th of September to the end of November, NEO is targeting 10,000, because or during the Q2 earnings they say December this year the production capacity for Onvo will get to December, or they will get to deliver 10,000, which is something that is just so incredible, amazing to see, and we cannot wait for this catalyst. So those that are maybe saying it's not possible to see $9.50, I say, yeah, though it might look so unreal, I also would like to see that price. But do I think it will come next week? Maybe not, but I tell you, there will be some positive sentiments around the stock price after the Onvo L60 official launch, and we look forward to that. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. I think blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price, which is still close to the bottom of the belly, will definitely be rewarded in the long term, because NEO, it is a company that is growing fundamentally, and therefore one way or the other the share price of NEO will also grow massively. So that's all from me. Do your own DD, and God bless you all.